We spend 90% of our lives indoors, and most of that isn't in our living rooms. It's in offices, shops, and restaurants.
But have you noticed? The line between home and work has completely blurred. In 2026, commercial design is about emotional architecture. Today, we're moving past residential and diving into the high-stakes world of commercial interior trends. Let's look at trend number 1, workspitality. Offices are no longer task warehouses. Since we can work from anywhere, the office has to be a destination. We're seeing library zones for deep work and social hubs for collaboration. No more sea of cubicles. Next is trend number 2, neuro-inclusive design. Design is moving from how it looks to how the brain reacts. Circadian lighting systems now match our biological clocks, bright for focus in the morning, warm for calm in the afternoon. Trend number 3, brand theaters. Retail isn't for buying anymore. That's what the internet is for. Retail is for feeling. Maximalism is back. Bold patterns and tactile materials like raw stone and recycled PET felt are taking center stage. Finally, trend number 4, the circular standard. We've moved beyond eco-friendly to true circular design. 2026 is teaching us that productive spaces treat us like humans, not consumers. Which trend would make you want to go back to the office? Elevate your projects with the next generation of commercial luxury and workspitality. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow SELUSSO for the world's most sophisticated interior trends.